assume
Mhm.
assume maybe mfano nauliza tu swali.
Yes, yes.
Assume maybe I don't want to change the section depth na hizo vitu,
Mhm.
so nikibadilisha tu hizi ribas I just click okay and then it can effect there. Thinking is if you increase the riba you are increasing the cost. If you increase again the section area yake hiyo depth na hizo vitu again you are increasing cost. So if you can do one. Okay. So
Yes,
they are
mid
13 I
span.
see.
Yes.
So
So you can
so
increase that.
I change.
Uh-huh. And also the further mid span.
Now, still you have to change here again, sio?
Which one? No,
Nasema sasa there's one here.
yes, just click OK. We see how much you have been able to change that. Yes, it has gone to 70. That's already fine.
0.78.
Still, it's already okay.
Okay, let me also be curious and see this,
Mhm.
wacha nirudishe, tulibadilisha hii I think. Turudishe 12.
Mhm.
We change this to 12. So ndio sasa we have section iko hivi, section moja iko hivi. I think instead of this,
Mhm.
I come and increase this. Si ulikuwa unabadilisha to 500 sio?
Yes.
Nothing changed, okay.
Very slight changes, right? It was
So
90, it was 97, still now. So I think now the steel will rule. You'll just have to change the steel. And you see, if you are very keen, it's only at
yes.
the mid span where we have the highest bending moments.
Okay.
Yes. So you are not changing the entire rebar for the entire beam, but you're only changing at the mid span here. No, if you go to drawings, go to diagrams, there is something is that you have here as diagram.
Okay.
Yeah, on top, on far top. Let's go to look for you have the diagrams. Yes,
The
click on
diagram.
that. The extra uh, T16 that you are now providing vis-a-vis the moments.
Yes.
So you can see here we have moments 33 kilonewtons, same as to 34. However, on top, on the other side, you have a little lesser moment. So the higher the moments, the more the steel that will be required. I think now you can see why. Actually, here we are adding the 16, but the 12 can work on top of. For the top rebars, the 12 is okay, but for the bottom rebars, we are adding an extra 16.
Engineer, now
Mm.
there is this sagging bit,
Uh-huh.
which is 33. If you compare, I think if you compare this 33 kilonewton per meter,
Uh-huh.
now this and this, of course, I think from your explanation, I think you are implying that the more the moment, the
Yes.
more the ribas required,
Yes.
right? But here, still, if you compare the moment here, the moment here is at negative 40 is 48.
Yes.
So the steel rebars required here at this intersection here, column na dini is a bit high, I think so. I think this is for both ends is higher than what we have provided here.
Okay, we have what's called hogging moments and
And
bending moments or sagging
yeah,
moments. So if we go back to the diagram, you'll see at the hogging moments, we'll be having the extra rebars at the supports. I think we discussed
yes,
it. That is usually taking like 25% extra of the span, 25% extra on this side. So let's go to to the diagram, and we try to see if that is actually envisioned in the diagram. I think they must be an extra rebar. So you can see areas that we are providing extra rebars.
Yes. So I close?
Yeah, you can close. And now let's just check and see. So you can see we have in T16. You can see that D16.
Yes.
You can see
Yeah,
the
this
places where you have
again.
D16. You can also see where you
Yes.
have D16. Like now you can relate the diagram or the reinforcements under the bending moment diagram.
Yes.
Okay, now if you want to even see it very well, you can go to this place called detailed drawings.
Detailed drawing.
Yes, so just zoom. So let's see how it has been detailed here. You can see where we have the extra D12 and D16. Like you can see here, there is an extra rebar here that has been provided as T16. However, it does not extend past the mid-span on the top reinforcements.
Yes.
You can zoom so that we see it very well. Yes, so you can see here where we have the T16, and you can as well see this T12. So this T12 will pass, but you have to add an extra rebar to counter the negative 45 hogging moments.
Okay.
Yes. So I
And
hope
then
that yes.
and then maybe just to can we look at section 3.3?
Yes, we can. We can just check on section
Section
3.3.
this section, eh?
It's far. It's towards your right side.
7th, yes, this one.
So you can see we have both D12 as well as the
Yes, we have ni yes. So ni hii sasa kuna ribas nne sio 2D12 na 2D16.
yes.
Okay, and then here ikiwa hivi sasa gani iko juu gani iko chini?
D16 ndiko juu. You know the 12 will run the entire length.
It will run the entire
The
length,
entire
yes.
length area, but now you are just adding the extra D16
Which
just
you will put
at
up
the
on it.
supports, only at the supports.
Unawekelea juu.
Unaekelea juu. Okay, let me see. Unaekelea juu na binding wire vizuri.
Yeah, okay.
Yes.
Sawa. I think there's another. It's okay. Though we have this. What from your practice, the utilization ratio, which is the safest
80,
limit?
80 watts, 60 to 80 will just be fine.
So you just make sure you are within 60 to 80.
Yes. However, there are some, even after applying the minimum, like you can use D12 in a column and you have the smaller size, which is 230 by 230, but still, utilization ratio is 20%. So with that one, you just leave it like that.
Okay.
Yeah.